What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a seriously powerful tool for traders, the TradingView Copier Pro. If you've ever wanted to fully automate your TradingView strategies and have them execute real trades on MetaTrader 5 without lifting a finger, this is the software that makes it happen. I've been testing it out, and I'm going to show you everything from installation to live trade execution. Let's get into it. All right, first things first, let's talk about getting it installed. The whole process is super simple. You head to the website, download the setup file, run the installer, and within a couple of seconds, the software is fully installed and ready to go. No complicated configuration, no dependencies to worry about. It just works right out of the box. Once you fire it up, you're greeted with the TradingView Copier Pro dashboard. It's a really clean, intuitive interface that gives you a complete overview of all your connected accounts at a glance. Now, the first thing you want to do is connect the copier to your trading platform. Just hit the Add Account button, and the software will automatically scan for and detect any MetaTrader 5 terminals you've got installed on your machine. Then with one click on Add and Install EA, it drops the Expert Advisor directly into your MT5 platform. Literally a one-click process. Honestly, couldn't be easier than this. With the EA installed, the dashboard tells us what to do next. Attach the EA to a chart inside MetaTrader. But before we do that, there's an important one-time setup step inside MT5. Head over to the Tools menu, click Options, then go to the Expert Advisors tab. You need to enable three critical settings: allow algorithmic trading, allow DLL imports, and allow web requests for listed URLs. For the web request, add the local IP address. That's http://127.0.0.1. This lets the copier communicate directly with your MT5 terminal. Don't skip this step. Once that's done, drag the TV Copier Expert Advisor from the Navigator panel onto whatever chart you want to trade. A settings window pops up where you can define your risk management for that chart. You can risk a percentage of your balance, a fixed dollar amount, or go with a fixed lot size. You can even cap the maximum number of trades per day, which is a nice safety feature. And here's the key thing. You need to attach this EA to every single chart for every instrument you plan to copy trades on. Trading gold, euro dollar, and the S&P, you need the EA on all three charts. Back on the Copier Pro dashboard, you'll see your MT5 account showing online with a green Wi-Fi indicator, along with your live account balance. Everything is connected and communicating. Let's get into the core functions now. The Copier tab is really where all the magic happens, where everything comes together. You need to create what's called a master-slave mapping. Think of it this way. The master account is your TradingView signal source, where your alerts and strategies generate the trade signals. The slave account is your MT5 terminal, where the actual trades get executed with real money. You pick your TradingView webhook as the master, select your MT5 account as the slave, define your specific risk parameters for this mapping, and you're good to go. If you skip this step, the monitor will show that trades are being blocked, so make sure you set this up. Another really important section I want to highlight is the Settings tab, specifically the symbol mapping feature. Here's the thing. Sometimes the symbol name for an instrument on TradingView, like US 500, is completely different from what your broker uses in MetaTrader, which might be something like S&P 500S or US 500.cash. This symbol mapping section lets you bridge those different names together, so the copier knows exactly which instrument to trade when it receives a signal. You'll need to create a mapping for each symbol that has a different name between the two platforms. Take 5 minutes to set this up, and it'll save you a lot of headaches later. Now, the final piece, setting up alerts in TradingView. The Copier Pro Setup Guide provides a unique webhook URL and a message template. Go to your strategy or indicator in TradingView, create an alert, paste the webhook URL in the notification settings, then drop the message template in the message box. This template has placeholders that TradingView automatically fills with trade details: entry price, stop loss, take profit, position size, and direction. Once alerts are set up for all your strategies and symbols, the entire process runs on autopilot. When an alert triggers on TradingView, the signal goes through the webhook, Copier Pro receives it, and the trade executes on your MetaTrader account within milliseconds. Near instantaneous execution. You don't have to touch anything. Now, I do want to be transparent about something we encountered during testing. We initially ran into a server error with the webhook connection, and this can happen if your IP address is shared or if you're on a dynamic IP that keeps changing. But the fix is really simple. Just run the software on a VPS, which stands for Virtual Private Server, or from any computer that has a dedicated static IP address. Once we moved our setup over to a VPS, the alerts started coming through absolutely flawlessly. We could see every single trade being received and executed in real time in the Trades tab, and the overall performance metrics, total profit, number of trades, and win rate were all updating live on the Monitor tab. It was really satisfying to watch. Look, guys, this is incredibly powerful software for anyone using TradingView for analysis and strategy. It bridges the gap between your strategy signals and actual trade execution. It removes manual error, eliminates emotional hesitation, that moment where you second guess your system, and ensures you never miss a signal, even if you're asleep or away from your desk. And the best part? It's a one-time purchase. No monthly subscription fees eating into your profits. That makes it one of the most cost-effective solutions for automating your trading. If this sounds like something that could seriously level up your trading game, I definitely recommend checking it out. I'll have the link down in the description below for you. If you found this video useful, do me a favor and smash that like button. It really helps with the algorithm. Drop a comment below if you've got any questions about the setup or if you want to share your experience. And make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. I've got more trading content planned. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.